Hi, my name is Akiva Goldman. I'm an attorney with Goldman and Associates. Today I'd like to talk about the impact on parental rights of guardianship. So let me create the scenario for you. We're in a situation where, let's say, there's a child born, mother dies during childbirth, so the child's being raised by the father. Well, the father develops some legal problem or some depression problems, or for some reason can't really take care of a child, so he asks his parents to help raise the child. So now the grandparents are raising the child. So they'll go through the probate process of becoming the guardians and taking care of this kid. Maybe the child goes to school where they are, lives with them, you know, the whole thing. It's almost as if they have, quote, custody of the child, but they don't. They have a different legal relationship called guardianship. The question becomes, what happens to the actual custody? Does this mean the father lost the custody, or does the father lose rights to the child because of the guardianship? And the answer is no. The guardianship is a temporary relationship, but it's always trumped by legitimate custody. What would have to happen is if the father, in my fact setting, got himself in order, took care of whatever problems he was having, and is now a fit custodian, he could file a petition before the court to dismiss the guardianship and in favor of his custody. And in most cases where the families are working together, this is no problem. Every now and then you'll see situations where the guardians will refuse to give up the guardianship because they don't feel that the person is sufficiently rehabilitated. If that's the case, the court has to have a contested hearing to determine, do we keep the guardianship around or not? But remember one thing, the goal of guardianship and those kind of proceedings is to reunite the child with actual parents eventually. So it's not that one right trumps the other. Guardianship isn't supposed to replace custody. It's only a temporary fix until normal custody can be reestablished. If you have any questions about that, reach out. We'll be glad to help you out. If you have found this helpful, please like and share.